In this video, I will be reviewing the Carrera Crosscity electric folding bike, which at €1,195 or £999 at Halfords is quite cheap for an electric bike in my opinion, even though it was less than €900 when I bought it 3 years ago. The bike has a Samsung battery with a capacity of 313 watt-hours or 0.313 kilowatt-hours, which should give you a range of 50 kilometers or 30 miles according to the website description. I'll come back to this in a little while. The battery goes inside the frame and is locked in place with a key, so if you lock your bike with the battery inside, it's safe against theft. Unlike some other electric bikes, this solution also means it doesn't give away the fact that your bike is electric. There is a plastic door on the frame that you can use to turn the battery on and off, which is handy if you forgot to turn it on before inserting it into your bike. And there is also a USB port if you want to charge your phone or another device, like a GoPro, when you're cycling. There are 4 lights indicating the state of charge displayed as L to H. The battery charges in 6 hours and comes with a 2-year 500 charge warranty. If you want a spare or replacement battery, you have to get them via Halfords UK. They are not sold in the Republic at the moment. The 36 volts, 250 watt rear hub electric motor system has low, medium, and high level of power assist. When you use the battery power, the bike makes a metallic sound, which I will show you later. The bike is equipped with a speed sensor, which automatically engages the motor once you begin pedaling, but stops assisting at about 25 kilometers per hour or 15.5 miles per hour due to regulations. Once that happens, I usually turn the battery off and keep pedaling to maintain my speed while saving the battery for the next uphill battle. The bike has 8-speed Shimano Acera gears, so you get quite a few options even when you're not using the battery. My preference is to use the battery sparingly on only the high setting and use a high gear and no battery most of the time. I will give you a side-by-side comparison of all the settings later in the video so you can see the difference they make. The wheels are double-wall 20-inch alloy rims with Kenda tires. The bike is quite sturdy and weighs 18 kilograms, so it's not too heavy, and the maximum rider weight including luggage is 100 kilograms. Folded dimensions are length 93 centimeters, width 40 centimeters, and height 74 centimeters, which means that you may be able to fit it in your boot. My Tesla Model S has room for 2 bikes with the rear seats down. It doesn't take long to fold or unfold the bike, but some parts can be a little bit tricky or require a bit of strength or special technique, such as the lever for the handlebars. We have to lift a ball-shaped lever and then open the locking mechanism. Some of the other parts can be somewhat stiff. Now let's talk about realistic range. I think the stated maximum range is based on the low level. In my experience, you won't get anywhere near the maximum range on the high settings, but you probably won't be using this setting continuously anyway. To give you some real-life examples, I cycle around Loch Lean in Killarney National Park twice on the high setting, which is about 25 kilometers in total, and I still have more than 50% battery left at the end. I also cycled about 60 kilometers on the Dungarvan Greenway from the railway cottage just outside Dungarvan to Kilmeaden and back again. On this ride, I changed between using no battery and mostly the high setting. And on the way back around Kilmacthomas, after about 50 kilometers, I was down to 25% battery. I never ran out completely, but towards the end, the last light was flashing, and I didn't get any noticeable help from the battery. And here you can see me cycling without battery and the 3 power levels on high gears. I found the low level rather useless. Medium is okay, but I mostly use no battery, and then I use a high level when I need an extra push. Then when I reach a good speed, I turn off the battery again. So that's my take on the Carrera Crosscity, which I think is a great bike at a reasonable price. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you soon on one of the many fantastic greenways we have here in Ireland.